Hi guys. So today I want to talk to you about one very important and serious issue that is happening in my practice. That is the skin issues. People using wrong ointments for the wrong problems, and they're self-medicating themselves, or they're going to the medical shop and just getting whatever ointment the guy gives them and treating themselves, and then they end up with side effects and they come to me for or any other dermatologist for this issues, then it gets more difficult for us to treat it because you are already dependent on that cream. So that specific cream that a pharmacist most commonly gives you for your skin issue is a steroid containing ointment. So steroids have been used widely in skin problems, but there's a specific diagnosis, there's specific issues that we give them, there's a specific dosage, specific days we are supposed to give them. This is the way you all are using it. There are many patients who come to me, they use this steroid ointment for years and then they end up having very bad side effects of it, and they come to us and it's really difficult for us to treat it or get back their skin to what it was. So you are not supposed to self-medicate when you have doctors sitting here, and you are not supposed to go to the pharmacist and ask for medications to treat your skin problems because they are not doctors. They just, their job is to dispense medicines. Whatever the doctor prescribes, they're supposed to read it so that they know what medicine is what, but they don't know when to give what. So you are not supposed to go to the pharmacy and just ask for a medicine. That is not the right place to ask just for medicine. You could go for wigs and the normal medicines, over the counter tablets, but not for skin issues. You can't just say I have this, please give me some ointment. That is what is happening in the market right now. So and then you end up coming to us saying you have this side effect. So please guys, don't go to it. I have had so many patients who have been using steroid ointments badly for fungal infections. It will worsen your issue. It is going to worsen your fungal infection if you use it. There are some ointments in the market which has everything in it. It has an antibacterial, it has an antifungal, it has steroid it has steroid in it and whatnot. So these things will just, so the pharmacy guys know that it is going to work. Whatever you go for, it will work somehow. So they just give it. They don't know. But then there are a lot of side effects associated with that ointments. So you have to go to a dermatologist. They don't know what, the dermatologist will see what is your issue and give you the right medications. Please do not go to a pharmacist and ask for a medicine, just random ointment, because it leads to a lot of problems later which you guys won't be aware of. So please don't do that. I've got so many fungal infection patients who come here asking for some relief. They say I've used this ointment since months, it goes and it comes back. So that is the side effect of steroid ointments. You use it for a fungal infection, you see immediate relief you get, but then once you stop the ointment, it comes back again. It comes in a worse form, and then you have to you get used to applying it, and it gets worse. So please don't use that. Don't lose this. And there are many girls who come using steroid creams for fairness. That is another issue in the people are doing, girls are crazy for fairness. I don't know for what. So that's okay. You want to get fair, there are skin lightening cream, there are skin lightening creams also available, there are skin lightening treatments, but you have to go to the right person to get that advice. You just don't start using. So when I ask these girls, where did you get this cream from, they say my friend suggested me, it's good. And they are the high potent steroid creams which make your skin thinner by the day. It irritates your skin, makes it red. Over the period there are a lot of wrinkles on the face. So all these are the side effects of steroid ointments. So please do not use steroid ointments, or if you don't know what is steroid, please do not go to a pharmacist or a pharmacy and just get some random ointment and start applying. You need to consult a dermatologist or a skin specialist before applying anything on your skin for any problem. There are some skin infections or skin problems which require steroid creams, but there is a limit how much you can use, there is a dose, how many days. All these things only the dermatologist would know, or a physician, general physician. So please do not self-medicate yourself with steroid ointments or be it anything. It's always good to buy at the doctors here. They are here to help you. So let them do their job. Just don't self-medicate or self-diagnose. That is another topic, that people just self-diagnose and start on medications for themselves. So that is another issue that's going on. That is a different topic to be discussed. But this is a very serious issue, because I get patients almost there's every day one patient at least who's coming here who has been using steroids since long for no, I don't know what they just thought it will work, but then they come with steroid dependency. They say we cannot do without this cream now. Please do something. Please help us. So please, guys, no steroid ointments on your own. Please go to the doctor, get it diagnosed, and get the right medications. That's it. That's a very important thing I wanted to give you. That's it. So bye. Take care.